Hey guys, so what's up? Now, today's episode is going to be a really short one. It's going to be MS-DOS 6.22, so yeah, let's just get straight into it. We're going to create a new virtual machine. I will install the operating system later. Click Next. Microsoft Windows. Version. Now we're going to go Other, and we're going to select MS-DOS. MS-DOS. And then 2 gigs. Do that. And finish. And we are going to edit the virtual machine settings and add a floppy drive and insert. Just inserted disk 1, so okay. I'm gonna play the virtual machine. Ooh, this is exciting. Yes. Click in. Starting MS-DOS. So we're gonna go to we're in setup. Do that. And it is in drive A, so press enter. The settings are correct. We're gonna save the DOS. Now it's asking for disk 2, so player, remove devices, floppy, settings, browse, disk 2. Now it's asking for disk 3. Enter. Okay, it's done. Now we're going to disconnect and press enter. Let's just clear the screen. And there we go. MS-DOS is now installed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry it was a short episode, and I promise to do Windows 98 next time. Until then, peace.